In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new bill in QuickBooks Online. Managing bills efficiently is a critical part of staying on top of your business finances, and QuickBooks Online makes it simple to track and organize your accounts payable. Whether you're new to QuickBooks Online or just looking for a refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of adding a new bill, so you can ensure your records are always accurate and up to date. If you're not already using QuickBooks Online, you can sign up using the link in the description below. Let's get started. First, navigate to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're there, click the New button located at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the Create menu, which provides a variety of options for entering new transactions. From the Create menu, select Bill. This will bring up the form you'll use to record the bill details. Next, choose the vendor from your existing vendor list. This step is important because it tells QuickBooks who the bill is coming from. If the vendor isn't already in your list, you'll need to add them first before proceeding. Once you've selected the vendor, take a moment to verify the mailing address that autofills on the form. Double-check that this matches the address provided on the vendor's invoice to avoid any discrepancies. Now, set the terms, bill date, and due date. These fields should align with the information listed on the vendor's invoice. The terms determine how long you have to pay the bill, while the bill date and due date ensure the payment timeline is accurate. After that, enter the bill number exactly as it appears on the vendor's invoice. This is key for proper tracking and helps prevent duplicate entries in your records. Next, it's time to add the details of the bill. This can be done under either the Items or Categories sections, depending on the type of expense. If the bill pertains to specific products or services, use the Items section here. You'll need to enter the product or service name, quantity, rate, and any applicable tax. On the other hand, if the bill is for a general expense, such as office supplies or utilities, use the Categories section to assign the appropriate expense account. If there's any additional information about a line item that needs clarification, use the description field to provide more detail. This can be especially useful if you want to make the record easier to understand for future reference. Before saving, take a moment to confirm that all the amounts, line totals, and the overall total match the vendor's invoice. Accuracy is crucial here to ensure your accounts payable is correctly recorded. Once everything looks good, click Save to finalize and record the bill in your accounts payable. And that's it. You've successfully added a new bill in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.